Hi guys, it's me Jocelyn.
Me Madison.
And today we're doing the
biggest
toy opening ever, part 5.
And we stopped by opening up the huge house.
Yeah. I have my packets right here. And she is just putting on this.
Where's the other stuff?
What do you mean?
I
already put it on.
So we got it.
So that's the house, and I'm going to have to
Take
fill
out.
it up.
Yeah, and we
have some stuff right here.
it came with it. I think the best thing is the pool table. It's cute.
Yeah. Let's get started. Okay. Here. Oh, I have the balls for the pool table.
I got a bucket.
That's for the bunny laundry.
Oh yeah.
This is the next section. I found this thing. Can you?
That's probably uploaded. Your upload is complete. Yeah. Part 2 has just uploaded and we've been uploading it. So where's the box? Here's the box. I'm gonna kind of set it up like that.
This is a box to put the balls in.
The bunny laundry goes on the very bottom.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put the bucket right there.
I would put it almost exactly like.
Yeah. Oh, this is like the little ball container. The balls in. That just sounds very wrong.
Why?
I don't know.
And then here's the little thing to put the balls in. Like,
We did this. On the box it shows that these little balls have numbers on them, but it doesn't on these. See? And this doesn't. It's just weird. I'm gonna sit on the back in the box.
What's that white ball for?
What one?
This white
Oh,
ball.
that's the ball. That's the ball you have to hit. Like you have to hit these balls with that ball.
Oh, yeah.
That is the pool table.
Can you help me get the pool table out?
This pool table looks hard to get out. Where? Another dimple stick. Go ahead and get that to go
I have a wrench and a wood.
Here's the thing that holds the pool stick. This thing's hard.
Pool sticks can actually go in.
Jeez, how hard do they shove them in these packages?
I don't know.
Might have just got it. They shove them hard in these packages.
Finally got it out. It's the pool table.
And here's
the pool table was on the middle floor.
Yeah.
We should put all the garbage in there. No, in that.
This is rubbery. I like the little vacuum. It's cute. It's cute. There's that.
Get out.
It went under there. It went under, you guys. Go ahead and get the vacuum machine out. Wait, this one can actually open too.
Can?
I see the little thing.
Is this like a little, what is this?
Like a sink, kind of. Is it? It looks like a sink.
Let's look.
That's the thing that you dip the clothes in, and you kind of wash them out there if you don't have a washing machine.
Let's see.
It is the laundry sink.
Yeah, okay, laundry sink.
You like dip the clothes in here, and you can wash them if you don't have a washing machine.
Yeah, I know. But I actually do have the washing machine. It's over. Oh, it's over there. It's over there in that
I'll
house.
go there. We'll go.
It's in that house.
I know, I see it.
And all my other laundry stuff.
Ah. The iron table stuff. I think that's Here you go. Everything.
Oh. I'm trying to make a mess. That's all fun opening. So that was our last part.
Yeah, and you'll probably see us playing with this in another video.
So if you do, remember to check out this video before you see that video. Okay?
We didn't open these on videos. The ones back here. Can you see them? Yeah, the ones back here.
And
because we just didn't feel like it. She was just too excited. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and bye-bye.
that was the biggest toy opening ever.
Part 5.
And there are 5 parts. Go check out part 4 on this channel, and go check out part 1, 2,
and 3 on Poppy Corn Lover. Da 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 da.
So
Oh, look at this cute
Gemma Stone. It's Gemma Stone.
Look at Gemma Stone. She's so
Go
cute.
find her. She is very rare to be in stores now.
Yeah, she's like very clear.
I got it from a friend.
Look, she's on the box. She's supposed to be up here.
So we gotta get setting up. So bye.